Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to cancel the material document which is generated in MIGO, MIGO, and after that how to cancel an invoice in MIRO. So just start with we first find any PO, receive the goods, and enter the invoice and do the reverse thing as well. So first we go to ME21 ME21 and now find your PO, any PO you have entered which you want to. Okay, so this PO is entered. Its quantity is 1, price is $100, and it is not approved. The status is this. Okay, and there's no tab of purchase history, so means there's no goods received and invoice issued. So first we approve it, then we receive the goods, after that we issue the invoice, match the invoice. So now we have to approve it or release it. So go to ME29N slash N, then ME29N, find your PO, release it, approve it. You can check from here, it should all three all text should be there. Save it. You can see the message is changed. Now you can do MIGO, MIGO, go to slash NMIGO. Okay, so receipt goods, find your PO, enter, check your movement type 101. There could be different movement types accordingly what you have entered. So 105, see how many quantities, 1. Okay, therefore I just want to do something else, but okay, quantity is 1, so we just select this thing, check delivery date. I didn't check it. Okay, so pause it. So this is the document number 8329. Now if you go to PO ME21N, just remember this ending with 329. Find your PO. See, now the good receipt is there. It's mean that you have received the goods. Okay, 1 quantity is received. Now when we enter the invoice will also come there. Okay, so now we go to slash MIRO, enter the date, put any reference, paste your PO. You will find this thing. It is said that the open item is 100. 100 is available. You can write 1, enter it. So and 1, that price 100, come 100, and enter the same amount here. See this minus 100 and red. Once you enter it here, it will match. So this is match 100 free per, yeah, it is free per payment. In the next video I will show that when it is blocked, if it is blocked and why it is blocked, and how to unblock this thing. So right now we just save it. Voice contains a message. Reverse of quantity greater than the quantity involved today. reverse. Okay, this is coming because of the cost center. Let me fix this thing. So we have to change this. It was there credit memo, that's why it is coming. See 100, it's green now. 100 is match. Payment is free for payment, and now you can save it. So this is your invoice number ending with 636 slash n ME21N. Purchase order 636. So all history is there that you receive the goods, this invoice here. So now what will we reverse first this, then the good receive. So for this we have to, I'll copy this thing, and go back, reverse this thing as well. So MIGO document is ending with 329 and MIRO document is ending with 636. So now we have to reverse it. So first we reverse the invoice. So okay, to reverse the MIRO document invoice, we use code MR8M. It will automatically pick the last document number or invoice number. It is there 636. You just a reversal reason. You can select any reason. I will do reverse in the current period. And if you want to see, you can see the document, but otherwise you just reverse it. Okay, document reverse, and the reversal document is ending with 637. We can check in the PO history, ME21N, go back, find your PO. PO is ending with 908. So ending with this with -1, so it is reverse. Now we have to reverse the MIGO. So go back. For MIGO, the T code is MBST, I believe, and it also picked the last document number. So this is the document number for this PO. Cancel material document, posting date this, reason for I don't know whether it's mandatory or not. Poor quality, yes, I think it's mandatory. Poor quality. Any reason you can see that. And let's see. Ending with 320. Ending with 320 slash n ME21N. Find your PO ending with 908. See, 329 was the original one. The reversing is 330 -1. So now it is again available for the receipt and everything. So this is how you reverse the MIGO document and MIRO document. And that's it. If you like the video, just like it and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.